Hi, and thank you for joining me at the Financial Spotlight. I'm Chantrell, and I'm here to give you financial tips and tricks to help you get to know your money better on your road to financial freedom. So I'm an accountant, and I have over 10 years of tax preparation, resolution, and planning experience. And I'm here today to talk to you about a paycheck checkup. So you might be asking, Chantrell, what is a paycheck checkup? Well, basically, that's just looking at your paycheck and making sure that everything is being reported correctly. So, is your address right? And also, are the deductions that they're taking out of your check correct? I know a lot of people get electronic paycheck stubs and that you just get direct deposits, but it's important that you take this moment to look at your paycheck stub and make sure that your address is correct and that the correct deductions are coming out. And I say that because I have a client who almost went an entire year of getting dependent care taken out of his check, and he didn't even have a child in daycare. So you don't want the wrong money going to the wrong places. Second, if you had any life changes, so if you got married, had a child, got a promotion, got a pay raise, you also want to take the time to make some changes on your W-4. Now, what's a W-4? W-4 is what you filled out when you first got hired with your employer. So that basically had your address on there, your name, your social security number, and then you also had withholdings, federal withholdings and state withholdings if your state has taxes. So on that W-4 is where you put, 5 or 6 withholdings for federal, 2 or 3 withholdings for the state, and you turn that in. Well, not many people fill out one more than once. They usually just fill it out when they first get hired, and then that's it. Well, if you've had any life-changing events, I suggest that you make a change to your W-4. You can go to your Human Resources Department or your payroll coordinator and request the W-4 and make those changes. So, if you got married or you had a child, then you may want to increase your withholdings so that you can get more money on your paycheck every month. And if you got a raise or if you got a promotion, then you may want to reduce your withholdings so that more taxes will be taken out of your paycheck every month. Now, this is the case because sometimes you might find yourself at the end of tax season, or at tax time rather, paying a lot of money into your taxes or having a large tax bill. If you have a large tax bill, then that means you are not getting enough taxes taken out of your paycheck every month. So that means you need to go ahead and either reduce your withholdings, or you can also allocate on the W-4 the amount of money that you would like the IRS to take out of your paycheck every month. You can put $100, $200, whatever it is that you see fit. Now, if you see that you are getting a huge refund every single year, yeah, it's okay to get a good refund at the end of the year, but you have to think about it. When you get that refund, you're not getting any interest in it, right? So if you get your money all throughout the year, you have a choice of what you want to do with your money throughout the year. So that means you should increase your withholdings, and then that means more income will be on your paycheck every month. And then with that extra money on top of what you're used to getting, you can take that and put it into a 529 plan for your children for their education, IRA, a high interest yielding savings account. You can even put it in a piggy bank, but you have control of your money and you're not leaving it with the government where they're not even giving you interest on your money at tax time. So let's recap. You would need to go ahead and look at your paycheck stub, make sure that your address is correct, make sure that there's no unnecessary deductions coming out of your paycheck, and then see if you need to make changes to your W-4. Have you gotten married? Did you have a child? Did you get an increase in income? Did you get a promotion? If so, go to your payroll department or your human resources department, get your W-4, make those changes to your W-4. Now, if you need some guidance in making those changes, I have included a link to a free downloadable W-4 guide that will tell you how, when, and why to make those changes to your W-4, and it will guide you through it, and you will be able to make the changes so that they will benefit you. So if you have any questions, comments, or any topic suggestions, go ahead and put those in the comments, and I will be sure to respond and also take those topics into consideration and make some upcoming videos for you. Also, please share this with any of your friends or family who might need this information, and also like and subscribe so that you can get more financial tips and tricks on getting to know your money and also becoming financially free. Thank you for joining me on the Financial Spotlight. Have a good day.